Hello friends, now in this video we start making the e-commerce site. Here you can see like these types of a product. When we hover any of these product images, it come out, and here we also implement the add to cart concept like this types of a. Here when we select any of this product into add to cart, its number will be increases like this. And here when we click on this add to cart icon, it show the number of the product you have added and its price and you quantity and this total price. You can increase also number of the quantity of any of this product and decrease also, and here is show the total quantity and here show the total price of this product. Like this we added this add to cart e-commerce concept, and let's start this video and go on the VS Code editor. VS Code editor, first of all we make a folder, a CSS folder, and JavaScript folder, JS folder, and one more for the data and database instance. We make a database, and yeah, we all these three folder we make, and in the outside we make a one file, index.html. This is our main file, and for the boilerplate of the HTML we press the shift and exclamatory mark. Automatically these are coming, and here we give the title will be e-commerce website. And now these things are done. Now I want to create a CSS file. Go on the CSS folder, inside that we give the style.css, and this CSS file I want to include in the index.html file. Go on the here I just add the comment CSS file, and here give the link real, after that style sheet, and giving the path of this. First of all we go on the CSS folder, inside this style. Now this file is added. Now I want to also create this JavaScript file. Let me create also index.js. Yeah, and this file is I want to also add in the body section of HTML. Here I give the script and src, and giving the path will be the go on the JS file. Inside that we have a index.js, and let me just, now I added the both. Let me just comment here also, for in future I want to read this. Here I give the JS file. Yeah, now I added the both link. Let me run also this. Right click here and open with the live server. Live server is a extension, VS Code extension. You go on the here extension section, and here type a live server. After that here you can see this live server is this here extension, and install this, and automatically here in the VS Code editor when you click on the right click here show the open with live server. Yeah, now let me close this and go on the here. See, now this will coming. First of all we make the our top section, and for that here come, here I give the comment. This will be the top, and here I use the header, and this will be the inside the our left panel. I want to add the logo. Before that I want to make a one container. Let me add this div, and class name will be the container, and inside the container I want to add a left side. Let me just give the div, class name will be the header left, and again I want to create a header right. Now we have created those both of them, and in the left section I want to add let me add the logo, and here I add a simple text, and in the right side I want to add like a login and card. For that I can do, let me add also font awesome icons also. For that we can use the font awesome. Let me just go on the here font awesome, website, and he click on here this first link. After that you click on this start, and here you enter your email ID, and after that send kit. It this font awesome said your email ID some script you can add it. This is for the production one, but here I add the another cdnj. Here I type cdnj font awesome library. This is not for use for the production one. The yeah, this is for new for the anytime making something. For that I was copy this. Where is I close cdnj font awesome, copy this link tag and come in the your HTML file, and in the top section I want to add, let me just add this. Here I add the comment font awesome icon, and inside that I paste this. Here I want to paste this here, and press the shift alt F for the formatting purpose. Now see, these are added, and we also using the Google font. Let me also add this also. When I just go here Google font, we use the pop-ins. Let me just go here and here type, yeah, already here. And before that I want to remove all this, and here I want to select, let me select all which are necessary. And we select all this and something italic also maybe uses it, and last one is a 9. This is too much, and now this one okay. And you can add a both section. If you want to add in the HTML file, you can add this link, or you can also add in the Java CSS file also, like these types of a font awesome. But here I add this link file in the HTML. Just copy this here, all this, and come in the your HTML file. Here I just add the comment, and here I type Google font, and below this I paste this code and press the shift alt F for the formatting purpose. Yeah, now I added the font and this Google font icon and font and CSS file and this JavaScript file and this logo also in the. Now I want to use the logo. Let me go on the font awesome library website. Here I want to first of all add the add to cart, and for that icon let me go on the search. I think net is so much slow. Let me here type cart. Yeah, this shopping cart is icon display, and I want to free version. And now here you can click here and copy this class name only, and here I want to add this icon. Let me just give that first of all class name, and this will be the header cart, and inside this I want to paste this, and let me here also change this in like this. Yeah, now this part is done, and after that I want to add a login section. Div class name will be header login, and inside that I want to add a simple text. Now we will add all the images using the JavaScript. Now let me go here. Here you can see this logo and this login section is coming. Now let me design all this section. Go on the here and just copy the, first of all I want to give the this header. Let me go here in the CSS file. I want to give all the HTML file, and margin will be 0 by default, and padding also 0, and all the element of the HTML we give the box sizing border box. And now let me go in the body section. Here I give the width will be 100%, and one more things, all these are done, and we can do by HTML also. Let me just give this HTML also. Now this both are done and this section is done, and we want also give the here we make a root for the some color variable. Let me just give the this is a primary color, or we can give the body color, background body color, and we use the body color is f4 f4 f4, and we when we require most of the color we automatically make this variable. Let me off this night mode. Yeah, now I want to use this variable inside the body. Let me give the body background color body, and given the background color will be the variable name like this. And here now see this background color is little bit changed. And now I want to make first design this top header section. Let me come here, and here I commented. After that here I add the header, and for your reading purpose you can referencing purpose, that's why I added this comment. And I want to let me just header, and here I want to give the box shadow approximately, and give the 5 pixel 10 pixel and RGB. After that I use the 0 comma 0 0 comma 0 comma after the 0.2. now here you can see this little bit coming, but I want to give 1 pixel. Yeah, this will be fine I think. And inside the this header, now here we want to fix this header. Let me here now I want to fix this whole header. For that here I give the position fix. Now see here every this position is fixed, but this not taking full width. And let me just give this width will be 100%, or we can do one more things. And let me come in the index.html. here I was created the container. Just copy this container, come in the style.css. here I make utility class, because most of the time I uses this class name which I was make here. Let me just give this, and here I give the utility, and here first of all give the width will be approximately 95%. and yeah, this is not taking. Here I give the width will be 100%. now see it taking full width, and now it will be done. And this content will be only up and down, and here I give the margin will be auto. now see automatically little bit space is generated automatically. now I want to make this content proper. for that let me come here, and here in this container I want to add one more container modifier which will be container header. just copy this here and come in the style.css file. let me scrap the here I come, and here I give the display flags. yeah, this see, and here give justify content will be space between. now see in the left side logo is coming, and right side these both are coming. and you can see this display flags multiple time uses, and no need of this now also. okay, now here we have done this part. and now see the both are is separately, and inside is space automatically coming when I was in reduce the screen size. then also see automatically. now I want to give the height and its width. for that in the header section I give the height will be approximately 50 pixel. let me just come here, or we can give the 60. Yeah, 60 is fine. And all the content inside this I want to give the in the center. For that, here header, let me give here alignment item will be center. Yeah, and this height I was not given, let me give the height will be 100% of its parents. Now see, content will be center. Now I want to, this both are, this logo will be a little bit bold. Or come here, just copy the this logo class name and come in the style.css file, and here I want to give logo. And first of all I want to give the font size will be approximately 30 pixel. Let me just see. Yeah, it will be 28 is fine. And after that I give the, and this will be the font weight will be approximately 500. Let me just see if I give 600. Yeah, see, little bit bold type. And we want to some styling, and here I was added the Google font but not added this Google font family in the family section. Let me add this also. Just copy this font family and paste in the body section. Yeah, now let me come see, little bit logo design will be changed. And now this fine, this done. And now we will design this left section. And here come, let me just copy, come here, and this header right, and inside that we have this icon. Let me just copy header right, style.css. Here come, here we give the display flags. Now you can see, and in between that I want to give little bit space. First of all we give this card, just copy this here, come here, here I give the font size will be approximately 20 pixel. Now see, this icon will be little bit big, and we give the 24. What is looking too much big? 22. Yeah, 22 is fine. And inside this we give the margin will be approximately by default 2 pixel, or we can give the margin from the left top bottom 0 and left right will be 5 pixel. Yeah, now see, this a little bit space is coming. And now I have to design this login button. Let me come here, and this is a login, and let me copy this header login and come in the style.css. Here I give, and this will be the font size will be approximately 18 pixel, and giving the margin will be same 10 pixel. You don't want to give in the from the left side only, I want to give in the from the sorry, I don't want to give the from the right side, only left side. And for that I can directly give margin left side will be 10 pixel. Yeah, here see, and when I use hover any of this, this cursor will be changed. And for that I want to change this cursor pointer, and this cursor pointer will be when I was hover on this icon also. Let me just change this here, and when I was hover on this logo also. And yeah, here now see, when I just hover this logo section, see, this cursor will be in the form of a pointer. And when I was hover on this icon, this color will be changed and this login will be changed, but logo we don't do this. And for that let me do the hover effect, this card. Here we make the one variable for the hovering color, we give the hover element, our effect, our color, and this color will be, let me just give the red. And after that we choose this color. Let me just for the choosing purpose we can use the colorers, and here we can choose a color. Let me just close all this and click on the explore trading platform. This is a multiple color, we can choose which is looking best. Here I give this red color, just copy this color code and paste inside here, and here I give this, and let me just close this now. And I want to change this top side background color. I was let me give this header color also change, and here I give the one more color. Let me give the white, we give the bs white, and inside this we give the f triple 6 time f, and this will be white. Now I want to use this in the header section because this header will be white color, and here I give the background and variable, using the variable this will be white. Now you can see this color will be changed, and this hover effect I was doing. Let me come here, where is header card, and here I want to give the let me just copy this class name and paste again. Here I give the hover, and this will be color will be using the where, and this will be hover color. Now see, when I hover, see this color will be changed. This color is I think not looking. Let me just choose another color. We go on the another color picker, and click on the explore trending, and we can choose some other color. I think we can choose you can choose any color which you want and paste on the variable section. That's why I'm making. Let me choose this color and go on the here top section. Here I want to change this color code, automatically it will reflected. And let me close all these things. Here come, yeah, see now this color will be changed. This color is okay for now, and I want to this color when I was hover on this login section also. Let me just copy this here and come here. Here I want to give color where, and hover color where is here, and this will be the hover. Let me give, yeah, when I hover, see this color will be changed. And here when I hover, this underline also coming. We want to give text decoration, we give the underline. Now see, when I hover, this underline will be coming. We not giving the underline, we can do one things. Here we can give the border bottom 2 pixel solid, it color will be same. Let me give this, yeah, see this border will coming, but okay for now. And this is I want to in the bottom section. For that, let me just give this height will be, here I give the height 100% of its parents. And yeah, and for let me just stick background color red. Yeah, it not taking the full height. For that we can do one more things. Height will be not taking 100%, and I was giving the display flags, that's why this alignment item. Let me change something. This is a container header, and this is right part. Here I give the height will be 100%. Yeah, now see this are coming, and here I give the inside this header right, I give alignment item will be center. and see this login will be not center, this icon will be automatically center. Now I want to give this login also center, and for that we can do where is a header login, and here we give the justify self or alignment. Let me give the alignment self center. This not center, we again give the display flags, justify content, not justify content, we give the alignment item center. Yeah, see now content will be in the center, but when I was hover, see this going on little bit up, and first of all I remove this background color. See this going little bit up, we give the, let me give this 5 pixel, see, or we give 3 pixel is good. Yeah, see when I use hover, this icon will be, this login title will be go on the little bit up, see this types. Now we have done this part. Now I want to make our all this card. For that I use the fake API. Let me just come here, and here we type fake API, fake store API, and go on the view on the GitHub, and here I want to product, here I want to click this product, and see this all this data will be coming here. We do not use the fetch directly from here because sometime it will be gone and link will be changed. For that we can do one thing, here click one and select all this product, all this JSON file, and copy this here and come in the your VS Code editor, and here I make a database folder. Go on here, create a one file product data, and inside that we give the JSON extension, and inside we paste all this code, and for the formatting purpose press the shift alt F, automatically all this code will be formatted. Now I want to use all this data from here, and now let me just fetch all this data first of all in the index.html file, and let me just fetch this. First of all I want to we can make a one sample from here how this our icon will be display, all this product, one product will be display, and for that come here, and this home header section will be completed, this logo and this login btn also. Now I want to make this product section. For that here I go, and here I give the comment this, and here will be the product section, and inside that I use the main class. This is a main class. Here I give the div, and class name will be same, container, and yeah, these things are done. And inside let me just type random things and see, yeah, it will be go on the top section. And for that let me just change something. Here I was given the position. Here you can see when I was comment this, then see, and this text will be display here because I was given this position fixed, that's why. And for that we can do here this position fix, and we can do, let me give the below this, and we can give some from the top side these types of space. For that we can let me come here, and this main section we can give the class, and this class will be the main, and just or we can do one thing, just only we can directly use the main. Let me just copy this, and come in the style.css, and below this header where is end, here I make a one more comment, and let's do this. Inside this I paste the main. Here all the code will be written main section. Here I give the position relative, and from the top side we give the approximately how much, because I was given the this height is approximately 60 pixel. For that we can give here from the top side we want to space 60 pixel. Now see, and I want to again give the position fix. Now see, our text will be now looking properly. And now I want to make this, and we now come in the main section. Here I want to, let me just come in the data section. Here you can see our data. We have a title, we have a description, we have a price, and we have images and this rating. First of all we display the our images, and for that let me come here, index.html. Here I was make a one container. Inside this we give the another div tag, and this will be have product container. We give the product container, and in product we give the product cart, and this will be inside this. We give the first of all image. For that we can give one div tag, class name, and product image. Inside this we use the img src. We paste this URL, don't worry. And one more things, after that we want to image, we show the title. I think this title is too much big, or we can main cloth, yeah, everywhere most of the time. See, this title is too much big, and we can do let me just see, every time this title is too much big. Yeah, see, sometime it will be too much. We can show the category. Let me show here. After that we can show here, let me just give the div class, and this will be the product category, and here inside this we can give the product category like a, let me just come here, we have a main cloth and all this. Let me just copy one section. Everywhere we have a main cloth, yeah, somewhere not. Just copy this here and paste here for the referencing. And after that main cloth we give the price section. Here we give div class, or we can give use the here we make a one more section, and this will be the div class, and this will be the product description, and inside this we paste all this. In the top section we give the product category, and after that we show the images, and after that we give the price, and this price will be how much, let me just see, it will be approximately 55, 59, 59, and yeah, this part is done. And anything more here, let me just see. Yeah, now this category is done, image section will be done, and description we show in the next page when I was click on this card for that. And here I want to, in the left panel we show the add to card. Let me just see, this icon is available here. Here I give the add to cart, like this types of a maybe some icon, or we can mix this like a heart, like these types of favorite things. Copy this class name, and where I want to add, come here, and here I want to add after this main cloth, and here price, and it here below div class name will be icon, and here paste this, and these both are in a single div. For that we can give the div class name, and here give the product, price, and cart, add cart. Inside this we paste this both, this price and this one. And let me add the image also for the designing. Just copy any of this this URL, just copy this here and paste in the here image section, and come here. Yeah, see, now this is looking good. Now I want to designing this all this. For that, first of all I want to copy this product card and come in the style.css file. Here I make the comment, and here I add this, give this here, this will be the product card section, and here I paste this class name. And first of all I want to give the padding is approximately 5 pixel or 10 pixel. And let me design this image because this image is too much big. Let me just copy this product image here, and inside this we have a product, and here I give the product image. We give width will be 100%. Yeah, and this product card minimum width will be approximately, we give the approximately 100 pixel, or we can give the 150, and max width will be, and max width before that we give the width, and max width will be 250. Let me just see how 250 is too much. Let me give the background color for the checking. We give the red. Yeah, 250 I think. Oh yeah, 250 is almost. See, this one height height automatically adjusted, don't worry. We do this height, and this width is fine. I think 250 is fine for now. Maximum width will be 250 is good. And now I want to make this image. Inside this we give the padding will be approximately 30 pixel, and yeah, and this height, why this height is taking too much. Let me, here I give the padding from the top bottom will be 0, left right will be 30 pixel, and yeah, this card will go on the top section, and something more. Yeah, everything is now fine. And one more, let me give the height of this image. We give the height of this image is approximately height will be 100%, but or we can finally give the height will be 200. Let me just see how much width. Yeah, see, this 200 will be fine, and we can remove this padding. Then look, see, this is too much stretch. For that we can give the padding, And yeah, this part is done. Now I want to add the shadow also, and let me just come here. We can copy this shadow and come here in the product card. Let me add this here. Here you can see little bit shadow is automatically coming. Now we make this, and when I was remove this background color, see it took like this. And I want to also change this background color, and we give the background color will be variable white. Now see it look good. And here I was added the title. Let me just also design this. This is a product category. Just copy this here, come here, and here I give the this photo. This font will be approximately 18 pixel. Let me just see how much. Yeah, this how taking okay. And we can add the padding approximately uh, 3 pixel from the top bottom, and left right will be 0. After that I want to make this price one. Let me come here, and this product price add card, just copy this here, and here I want to come. Let me give this display. Here you can see these are in the column, but we give the display flex. Now see look like this one. Now we give the here space between, give the justify content space between. Inside between automatically space is created. And here card I was given the 10 pixel, here we give the 20 pixel. Yeah, and let me remove here ISO padding. Here we give the 20 pixel. And I want to this price and this icon will be little bit small. We can give here I was added the icon, see this class name, and we can design this icon, because most of the time we using the icon. For that go on the utility, here we can give icon, and every time icon font size will be approximately we give the 18 pixel. And when I was hover on the any of the icon, its color will be changed. For that we can give the hover, and this color will be, let me just give this color. Yeah, see when I hover this color, and this cursor pointer cursor, and one more section, when I hover this icon will be go outside like that little bit more, or we can increase the font size. Yeah, this 20 pixel. And when I hover this will be go above. For that we can use the transform scale, it will be 1.1. yeah, and we can give the 1.2. yeah, when I just hover on this, see this icon will be go on the little bit up. And now I want to give this price, and where is, yeah, this price I want to give the class name product price. Just copy this here, come in the your style.css, and I want to go on the top bottom section in the product card. Here I give this font size will be 18 pixel. Let me just see, and yeah, this is okay for now. And we change the font weight will be 600. yeah, see this font will be good. yeah, we make this one product. Now I want to render like this multiple product. And here see this border is not a sharp. For that we can do here border radius will be approximately 5 pixel. Little type here, sub curve type border will be generated. And when I hover on this images, see this icon will be coming outside, but this product will be not coming outside. And for that we can do also like this. Just copy this here and come here, paste this here. Here we can do and hover, and I want to add like that. Let me just copy all this here. Where is icon? Go on the icon section, and this transform again. I want to come here. Where is here? I show you. See, when I saw this too much outside, we can give 1.1. Yeah, and this cursor will be not changed. We give the cursor pointer. Yeah, see, now this product will be, but it will be coming directly, but we want to give this some animation. This, see, these are not a animation type. And we can give one more things. Let me just come here, and here I want to add a transition, transform. We can add transform is 0.5 second. Let me just see when I have this type of a animation is coming. We can give little bit less. See, like this. I want to add icon animation in here also. Just copy this here and go on the icon section. Where is here? I want to add this, and this icon I think I want to little bit more big. Yeah, now see, these are looking fine. When I use hover, now we have this product is one product is our section is ready. Now I want to make a multiple product. Let's go on. Before that I want to check this is a mobile responsive or not. Let me just see how much is it. If I give the approximately, okay, here you can see our this image will be shrink a little bit when it go. Okay, mobile width we approximately, I think this much is for the minimum things is fine now. And now I want to make this multiple product. For that I want to come in the index.html file, and this is a product section, and inside this this is a product card, and here this is one product card, and inside this is a container. Here I make another div tag. Let me just here give the comment list of product, and here I create another div tag and giving the class name will be the product, and this will be the product container because inside this multiple product is available. Let me just see anywhere I was make a product container class. No, nowhere. Now inside that I want to insert all this this product, and this were close here. For that here I just comment this, and this is I give the render product. We render all this product with the help of a JavaScript, and before that we check how little bit give the space and padding from the top side. Let me just copy this class name and come in the style.css, and I want to go on the product card. Okay, this is a product card. Before that I want to make another. Let me just give this comment, and here I add the product container. Why I was adding this comment? Because in the future if you want to reference anything, that's why, and any updation, that's why I added all this comment. And here I paste this class name, and let me give the background color will be red for the now, and giving the height will be approximately for now 30 pixel, or we can give the 300. After that width will be 100 pixel. Now let me just see here. See, this one is display like. Before that, here let me just here we have this main tag, and inside main tag I want to give, or we can give in not a main tag, and we can, let me go on the here I want to check. I have a container. Okay, here I make a container. This will be the main container main. Let's copy this and come in the where is style.css. This is a main. Here I make some changes. We give the padding approximately 10 pixel. Yeah, see, but here this little bit coming. For that we can give and 20 pixel from the top bottom, and left right will give the only 0 pixel. Now see, this here and is this side now properly. Now inside this I want to insert all this product, and for that let me just give here come, and here I give the inside this we give the height will be change the let me give the height will be the fit content, and let me just see some other things. We give the fit content, and after that we give and padding, or no, padding is not required, and width will be 100 pixel, and one more things. Yeah, now this part is done, and here go on the index.html file. I want to here let me here I want to add one more div and class name. We here add the let me, or we can render directly here. Here we give the ID, and here we give the product list, product container, then also okay, or we can give product list product list ID. And now I want to access this ID from JavaScript. Let me just copy this and come in the index.js file here. First of all, I want to make a one variable, and this will be the product list element. After that we give the document dot get element by ID. Inside this I paste this ID same as like this one, this ID, and for the checking purpose let me just console dot log, and inside this product element product list element. Now come here, right click, go on the here, and here I see this product list is here coming. And now I want to insert in this tag, I want to insert all this product here. First of all I comment this, and this will be the product list container. Yeah, inside this all this product will be rendered. And now let me delete this. First of all I want to import all this data. See, all this data, let me just import this all this data from index.js file. And before that I want to give here, let me give the and copy here I want to give we give the fetch data and the fetch product data. Now here I give the we use the function asynchronous function, or you can use some other, but here I use the asynchronous. For that we can write async, it will be function. After that we give the fetch data and make a one function, and inside this I use the const and give the arrays, and here use weight. After that we use the fetch, and inside this we give the path of this this database, all this product data.json. Let me just come here, and here first of all I want to go outside this, or we can use the directly database, and after inside this I will have product data.json. After that I want to get data. This data will be converted in the form of a JSON. For that we can give the JSON, and here I just console log first, and let me just give the console log. And first of all I want to also call this function. Let me copy this and paste here. Now let me come here, go on the inspect section, console. Yeah, see, all this data is coming now, and now I want to use all this data, and let me return. If I use the return data, and here I give the console.log, paste this here, and right click, inspect, go on the console. Yeah, see this promise. Okay, this promise is completed, and now I can use by then, and here we can use the data will be equal to the console.log data. Yeah, now all this data will be printed. Let me refresh. See, all this data will be printed, and now I want to use this, and for that let me first of all here I make a one variable. Let me give the product list HTML, and this will be the string. Inside this we store the all this product data in the form of a HTML, like this, like this. After that we can insert all this data inside the this. Let me just come here, and here I make before that I want to just copy this fetch. We comment for now and copy this fetch one, and here we can use fetch, then data, and we can use inside this first of all we can give the, let me just see. Yeah, see this in the form of a array. Then we can use directly data dot for each, or you can use the map also. You can use a for if for loop also, but here I use the for each loop. And now let me just queue this, and one by one I get access all this data. Let me show you element. Now see, one by one data is printed, and here you can see all this data. And let me just copy all this key name, because I want to use all this key name. Let me paste here for the dummy one, and now I go on the in the index.html file, and this is a product card. Let me just copy all this and come in the index.js file. Here I can use this variable which I was created, this product list HTML, and here give the product list HTML. Inside the we give the equal plus and equal. After that we use the tilde symbol, and inside this we paste all this product card like that. Let me just delete this also and go little bit up. And now I want to first of all change the URL. And why this is coming, let me refresh. Okay, unknown error. Okay, because of this, let me just comment for now. And yeah, and these are coming. Now inside this I want to insert all this data. And first of all I want to insert the URL. Let me just see URL. What is the name of the URL? Yeah, this will be the in the form of this image. Okay, key name is image. Just okay, let's come here and change the in the form of a image. For that I use the dollar symbol and this curly bracket, and here I give the element, this element, this one. Let me just give here space, this element. After inside that I give the image. And let me just show you all this data. Or first of all I want to insert all this. Now I want to insert this name. For that here I use the dollar and this and element. After that key name I want to check. Let me just see category. Yeah, category. Just copy this here and paste here. And now I want to give the price. Let me just come here. Here I give the price will be element. And what is the key name? Let me just see. Okay, this is count. Yeah, price. Directly key name is a price. Let me just paste here. And yeah, now this part, all this inserted in the, let me just come here and here all this data is inserted. Okay, inserted in the product list HTML here. Now let me show you all this data. Let me just copy this here, and now we don't need of a for now this, delete this, and here I give the console.log and paste this product list HTML. And here we have completed this. Outside this we can console log. Let me refresh. Yeah, we not getting any data. And for that I think something is missing. Let me just see. This will be the product list HTML. And this function is I think taking too much time to calling, and because this is asynchronous. For that we can just move this section and this product a little bit up here, and about this fetch one. After that I give, let me just delete this here, and here I want to do one thing, delete this part. And also one more things, I want to delete this part. Now I can do just copy, cut this here and paste inside this function directly. Now we don't need of this return. Let me just remove this, and only one can do here, paste this. Only I want to call this function. Yeah, now here paste this. And why these are not happening? I think something is missing. Let me see. Console.log element. All the element is printed, then why? Okay, here we can use the width, and here we can remove this. Let's copy this here and come here, console.log. Yeah, I think something is missing here, because when the data is because this is a asynchronous function, that's why it's taking approximately 1 or 2 seconds. And when the data is load, then this function, this data will inserted on this variable. And here, because this is a asynchronous function, this taking too much some time, and before that all this console log, before that running this, it will be printed this. That's why now we have get all this data. Now I want to insert all this data, and from the uh, here, and this product container, here I was given the ID name, this product list. And where is here this product list? Let me just copy this variable name, and here I want to come. Here I give the variable inner HTML, and inside this we directly paste this variable name. And now let me just close all these six. Okay, why this red is coming? I want to check. Go on the style.css. okay, this product container, let me just remove this. Yeah, see, data is coming here, and it's going on above this nav bar, and for that we can fix this. And where, let me go on the header. Here I was given the position fix, but j index will be, I want to also give j index will be give the 50. Now see, now our product will be go bottom section. And now I want to make all this product in the here like a single, and I want to also just comment this product. Yeah, now I want to make all this product in the single row like a wrap form. And for that, this is a product container. Come here, and where is product container? Here I was given, let me give the display flags. Now see all the product here, but I give the and flags wrap will be approximately, we give the wrap. Let me just see. Yeah, see, now all this product here properly adjusted. See, but in between them no margin, all these product are not looking separately. And for that we can do here justify content space between. Let me just give here, you can see little bit space is automatically generated, but not generated from the vertical section. And for that we can, by default in the product card we give the margin approximately 1 pixel by default has. Then here you can see this little bit coming, or we can do one more things for the spacing purpose. And here I come, and here give the gap is approximately 10 pixel. Now you can see this 10 pixel I think too much, we give the 3 5 7. Yeah, 7 is I think properly for now. Let me just see, this is a responsive also. And let me just collapse when I was increase. Okay, you can see, but here see this little bit space is coming, and this is because of a sometime if this width will be coming, then see. Okay, we can also use the, let me just do one more things, we can also use the grid one. For that, here you can see when this space, little more space is coming sometime. Let me just change this in the form of a grid, and for that I want to give the comment, and this gap will be here. We use the display grid and use the grid template. We use the repeat auto fit, and auto fit, and after that I can give the min max. This auto fix okay, minimum will be approximately, I was given the 150, and max will be the 1 FR. Let me just see, or we can give the minimum will be approximately 250 max. For that we give the 250. Let me just see. Yeah, now it's looking good. When I was, yeah, and we give the one more things, grid, auto flow, auto column, auto, and also row. We give the, let me give grid, auto row, or we can give the grid flow, auto flow. Auto flow will be the, I think auto flow will be, we give the column. Column is not looking good, remove this. Yeah, now see, all these are looking properly, and little bit space is coming. When I hover any of this, all this product will be coming here, and I want to give little bit more, give the 10 pixel. Yeah, 10 pixel is, and we give the flow from column side, not a row. Yeah, it will be perfectly for now, or we can give 7 pixel. Or we can also hide here margin approximately 20 pixel, and here I was given the create column auto flow. Here see, little bit space is coming, and now it's look good. When I hover, this image is coming outward, and this input box. Okay, here see, dollar is not coming, and why this is not coming? Yeah, dollar is already added. Okay, this dollar I want to add one more. Yeah, now see, this dollar is also now coming. We have completed this part. Now when I was click any of this image, this add to cart, this one automatically added from this cart, and let me also prepare this section, and before that this one we done. And here you can see this code, we can move also some other folder, we can do also this later, and this section will be done here, and we can stop here. And now, when I was click on this this add to cart, it automatically go on here, and for that we can do, let me come index.html file, and now we don't need of this, we can delete also, because all the protocol render from inside this. Now this part is done, and we go on this add to cart. For that let me, outside this main we can create directly. Let me come here, or we can go on the about the main. Here I first of all make the comment product cards section, and here give the div class name will be, we give the cart container, and this will be cart container, and inside that we give the div class name will be the, or we can convert this form of a into section. Let me just give the section, and inside this we give another div tag and giving the class, this will be the cart container, and inside that I want to make first of all I want to insert like this types of a all product. Before that I want to make this one will display here, and for that just copy this cart container, and here this will be the cart cart body. Okay, this part, and let me just copy this cart container and come in the style.css and go on here. Here I give, let me just give this, and here give the position. First of all we give the absolute, or we give the position. Position we give the fix because I want to fix this card in the from the this right side. For that we can give the position fix, and first of all we give the width will be 100%, and max width will be approximately I give I think 400, and after that we give the height will be, or first of all we give the background color blue for checking purpose where is the display, and we give the height will be 100%, and see here is a display, but I want to this whole this section from the right side. For that we can give the right will be 0. Now see it will be coming here, and about this I want to make when I was click here, let me give this j index will be the 40, yeah 40, yeah see now it will be coming outside this, and here I want to do one more things, this will be coming above this login also. For that here I give the 50 pixel, and here in the header section I want to change, here we give the 40, yeah now see this will be coming, and I want to change this, let me give max width will be approximately not a 400, we give the 350, yeah see like this, and this part will be done. And now inside this we insert all this card when I was click anywhere, and now I want to give this background color will be white. For that I can use the directly variable, and for designing purpose I give the shadow here. For that I can use a box shadow minus we can give the directly 5 pixel, or we can already given in somewhere. Let me just copy this, and here I want to paste this, yeah okay, and now I want to give, see this div tag, and this scroll will be already coming, but this card because this is above side, that's why, or we can do this will be done, and this shadow is not displaying. For that just copy this here, or we can add also here minus, now see little bit shadow is display here, and inside this I want to add first of all close this card. For that I can do here above this, I can add div class card close, sorry, and about this, inside this we have want to add some icon for the closing. Let me just see, some icon is available. We can give the, let me just see, here we can also give the like a cross mark, but here I give this icon is I think proper. Just copy this here, paste, this will be the button, and inside this button I want to paste this. Now let me come here, see this cross mark is display here, and now just copy this card close and come in the style.css. let me just design also this part. First of all we give the background color, how much width are taking, that's why I want to know. And here this is card, we give the some padding and margin for this container. We give approximately padding will be by default 10 pixel for all, like this. Little bit space is coming, that's looking very too much best for that, that's why I give the little bit space. And yeah, this now I want to make this for card. Let me just copy this, and inside that I have a button, and this button we give the font size will be approximately 18 pixel, or I want to give little bit more, we give the 20, we give 30. For the simple mobile version, let me just see if this will be the mobile version, then see it will look like this. Like here this cross mark is coming, we can do like here. Okay, when the screen size is approximately mobile version, then see this our logo is not looking, then we can do one thing, it will be go little bit below side, and when screen size is full then it go above. Also we can do, let me just do something here I was given, and here I give the top side will be approximately 60 pixel. Let me just come here, and yeah, see this will be, and we remove this first of all shadow. Yeah, now looking like this. I think this will be mobile version will be okay, but in the desktop version also this one I think looking best, we can go with this. And here I give this shadow in the desktop version, and in this top side I want to remove this, and for the x-axis we give 0, 5, and here yeah, in the above section I think shadow will be gone. Yeah, shadow will be gone, and here we give the also at the border radius will be 5 pixel. In this only or not looking good I think. Yeah, see little bit curve type is coming, then we remove this and we make this cross mark. Let me do this. First of all giving the we make a one class btn. Let me first of all add this class name here, because some multiple time I think I want to use this class btn, that's why. Just copy this and come in the style.css and go on the this utility class. Here I give the btn, and this will be paste here. First of all the btn class we give the background color will be transparent, and border will be none, no border. And why this then outline, I think outline also none. Yeah, now looking good. Like this types of all btn, and by default all the btn will be have a padding approximately 10 pixel. Let me, 10 pixel is too much, we give the 5 pixel. Yeah, by default 5 pixel I think. Now this will be done properly, utility class. And I want to also add one more things, and why these are happening. Now I want to make one things more. When I was hover on the any of the btn, and see our this mouse color, okay, this mouse color will be, mouse cursor will be changed. For that I can add one more cursor pointer. See, when I hover, this mouse color will be changed. And one more thing, which when I was hover, then this little bit background color will be changed. For that we can do, or we can do from another section. For now this will be done, and come in the bottom section. Here we give the font size will be more. Yeah, and this, let me give the here I add, here I add the p tag, and this will be the cart, and these both are in the single row. For that we can do here inside this close one, we can give the display flags and alignment item center. And now I give the this card close, we give the padding approximately, already we added the padding. We add the directly to the this card. Let me just come here, and this card will be p tag. We can give class name card text. Just copy this, come in the style.css. here I can do padding from the left right, top bottom will be 0, left right will be approximately 7 pixel by default. Yeah, see, and this text will be little bit big. We give the font size will be 18 pixel, or we can give the 20. Yeah, and this font color will be we give the bold. Font weight will be approximately 600. Yeah, 600 is I think fine. And these are this cross mark I think not looking good. For this we can change this cross mark. We use some arrow. Let me just type arrow icon. Yeah, these types of icon. Let me just choose free version, and yeah, this arrow I think good. Let me change this arrow. Yeah, come here and see. Yeah, now looking good like this one. And when I was okay, and this will be proper. When I was click, this will be not to be display, and for that I can, let me come here. This is a close btn, and we can do here on click. We can add id directly from, we can click from this also or this also. These both are okay, or we can only do for this icon. For that we can give here this id, we give the cart close btn, and just copy this id name, come in the your index.js file, and this all will be the for the product section, and below that I add the comment cart section, and here if you want to add more comment we can add this. Now I want to get access this cart close btn, just copy this class name, come in the index.js file. Here first of all I make one variable, and this will be the const, and here I give the let card close btn element, and after that we give the document dot get element by id, and inside that I want to paste this. Now I want to fire event when I was click here. For that we can just copy this here, and here I give the click event. For that I use the add event listener, and this will be the click function, and after that I give the this callback function inside this. Let me just see alert click close btn. When I just click this, see this alert will be generated. When I was click, then this box will be not to be display, and for that I want to index.html file, and this will be the here I want to this section I want to give or we can do one more things. This will be the we can give the id will be card id, yeah, card will be I think done card section, that's why I give the card id, or we can give the card container also. We give the card container. For this both are looking good, not good, because this card container and this card container, that's why. Yeah, this card id is I think good. Now just copy this id name and come in the index.js file. Here first of all I want to access this. For that here I make a const, and this will be the card id element. After that we give the document dot get element by id. Inside this I paste this id. Now I want to add one more section, one more class. Here I give the in the about this, or here I can make card hidden, and this will be the give display none, and by default I want to add this class name. Just copy this here and paste here. Let me just give the, because by default I don't want to display this card, and now this will be done. And let me just come in the index.js. I have accessed this. Let's just copy this here, and we can give toggle function. Let me just come with the class list, and we'll give the toggle, and this toggle will do, we can add and remove this class name, this card hidden. Just copy this here and come in the index.js file. Here I can paste this. This sentence will be do one thing: if this card hidden class name will be have in the this section, then this remove this. If not have, then add this. And now let me, okay, I was forget it because I want to do here when I was click here, then this will be display, and I was forget it. Let me do also this. Where is, yeah, here this shopping cart. Let me just we can give this class id name. We can give the id will be card display. This card display, card id display, like that. Just copy this here, this id name, and come in again index.js file, and here I give the const card id display element, and here give the doc, or we can give the card id display btn element, and I want to add this because this is a btn for referencing purpose, that's why. Just copy this here and come in the index.js. Okay, I was copy this, come here, here I want to paste this card id display btn. I give the document dot get element by id, and inside this I paste this, and just copy this here. I want to fire one more event, add event listener, and this will be the click, and here I give this call by function, and here when I just click, then this card will be displayed. For that, just copy this, and here I want to give, because when I just click here now, every time this card will be displayed. For that we can here give the remove, because this card by default this will be added, that's why. When I just click here, see this card will be displayed, and where I click, and here I want to give every time remove, every time add, sorry, and just remove this. When I just click this card, see this will be display, and here click, this will be gone. But here see this is a simple thing, not any animation. If we can add also animation type also, like that. Okay, and here we can add a little bit animation. Let me just see. This is where is card hidden here. I think animation is working. Transition display one section, 1 second. Let me just go little bit down. Yeah, I think it done now. For now inside this we want to insert a card, and for that let's begin making this. Here we can add one more section. When I just click, see here this color will be changed, because seeing that this card will be active, and for that I want to add one more section, and let me just, here I add one class active. Let me just make this, and this class will be everywhere uses. For that, in the utility section we can make this class will be active, and here we give the this class will contain the this color will be like that. Now just copy this. I also get access this one, and for now this will be card id display btn. Come here, where is card id display btn, here, and inside that we can add just copy this here. We can add one more class. This will be the let me just give the class list dot add, and inside we add active. Now let me just, when I just click, see this color will be changed. and when I was here click now, then this color will be gone. For that, let me just copy this here, paste here, and here we give the remove. See, when I was click, this will be active here, and we can do same functionality if user want to click here also okay, and here also this section also okay. And for that we can do here, just add this toggle function, toggle. Let me add this toggle, and here also we give the toggle. Now from here when I just click, see, this will be display. Again click, this will be gone. Like this both section as now this button is working fine, and user want to click here also, then also okay, like that. Now see, this is section done, and now we make a simple card. Let me just make this first, index.html, and where is a card body. Let me come here. Yeah, here is a card body. Inside this we make a one div tag, and this will be the card product, and here this card product. Let me just click here. First of all, in the left section we add images. For that I want to make a two div tag. In the left section we display the images, and right section, in the top section we display the our name and price and quantity, like that. For that I make a div class name, we give the card product left, and below that we make a right, like that. And this will be inside the left product. We can directly add the images, image irctc. We add the dummy, first of all any images. Let me come in the product.json data, and we copy this one and come in the index.html, paste here. Now when I just click, see, this is displaying, and in the right section we add in the top section we display the name. For that we can give the h2 tag, and below that we can add the price. Let me here I can write a random name. Let me copy this actual name. Let's copy this man cloth, and just copy this man cloth, and here come index.js file and index.html file, sorry. Inside this I paste this man cloth, and here in the p tag we give the price, any price we give, for now 30, and below that when I just click okay, this will be display. Let me make this properly. First of all I want to this card product, let me just copy this card product and come in the style section, and let me just see where is card product is added here. No, card product is not available. Let me give this card product. First of all we give the width will be 100%, and we give the background color will be red. And now I want to first of all make these images, because this image are looking too much big, and for that I want to copy this card product, this one left one, and style.css. here I give the width will be approximately we give the first of all we give the minimum width. Minimum width will be approximately 100 pixel, and width will be 100%, and max width will be approximately 200. Now let me just see how it's looking, and here we give the inside this we have a image tag. This too much big, and we give the max width will be 100 pixel. Yeah, I think or two more. 80 will be proper, and this minimum width will be 50. Yeah, now see, it's look good. And now I want to make this in a single column. In the product card we have these two. For that, here product card we give the directly display flags. Now see, look like this, and we can here inside this we can do change this. Think this h2 is too much big. We can give this h4. Let me just click here. Oh no, we change this h3. Yeah, h3 will be good. Now let me just give this. Here inside the card product we want to give the gap between these images and this text. It will be approximately 10 pixel, and by default, yeah, see, little bit space is coming. And we give this card view like this card type, and background color will be white. Let me give the also white. And all this tags, this one in the center. For that, I want to give the alignment item will be center. And here this cart body container, by default this card body has some padding from the top side and bottom side, because see, these are too much collapse, like collapse. For that, here I give the padding from the top side is 10 pixel, and left right will be 0. Now see, little bit space is coming, and we can give also approximately 20 pixel. Yeah, 20 pixel is done. And inside this I want to add one more section. In the card product, by default has a padding approximately 10 pixel. And now I can give the background color some other. Let me override this background color for checking purpose. Yeah, see, now our product will look like this. And I want to remove this alignment item. In the top section, these are display, and here this price is display. And here we want to display one number of the quantity you have select. For that, we make here, and in the side here we can give the quantity btn. For that, give div class, and this will be the card product quantity. And inside this card product quantity, first of all I want to add a 2 btn div class, and this will be card product minus, and this will be the minus, and this will be the value card product actual quantity, and we give the card product value. And this will be the here card product number. And after that, here we give the plus, we have here give the minus, here give the plus, and it by default it will be 1. Here let me click here, see, and let me design this part. Just copy this and come in the style.css. Here I give this display flags. Yeah, now by default this minus, let me just copy this minus, and here come again. I want to design this like the same +1, and let me paste this. I think I want to also give the space in this value also number. For that, we can also use this. And here I was forgetted giving the dot. Now let me just see, and here first of all we give the padding approximately 7 pixel by default, and give the font size will be approximately 18 pixel. 18 pixel is yeah, 18 pixel is done. And let me remove the first of all here background color. We can add this background color, this btn quantity. Let me add this here, yeah, like that. Now I want to give this btn design. Let me just do one more things. Let me remove inside this. We can remove this number, and outside this, yeah. Now we can give the, it will be approximately 20 pixel, 25, yeah, 25 is done. After that we give the border 2 pixels solid, it will be black. Okay, black color I was not make. Let me, in the top section we give the black color, we give the bs black, and this will be the black color. For that 0 0 0 0, okay, 1 0 is remaining. Now copy this variable name, and here I want to add this here, and just comment for now. Now see, this padding is display here, and if we want to give one more things here, we can add the 5, and this, I think this height is not a proper. We can give height will be of this minus and plus. We can fix this. This width will be approximately 20 pixel. Let me give the width 20 pixel. Okay, here I was not at a semicolon, and height also 20 pixel. Okay, these are not looking good. For that we can give the 40 40, yeah. Now I think not best. We give the 30 width, and height also 30. Yeah, this things are done, and we remove this padding. And now I want to make all the text will be center. For that we can give the text align will be center. Okay, this will be not coming center, and for that we can do margin will be 0. We can give the display flags, justify content center, alignment item center. Yeah, now this minus and plus are coming in the center side, and I want to make this value. For now let me just design this part. We give the width will be approximately, these are 30, and these are exactly same, only one things I want to not giving, this border color. Let me just add and check what difference is coming. See, this font is too much. We can here modify, don't worry. First of all I want to remove this border, and we want to not remove, we want to change the border color. We can directly change here. We can change the border color will be, we use the white color, not looking. See, now border will be not looking. And now I want to make this font size I think too much. We give the 22 pixel. Yeah, now it will be done, and let's remove this background color and see how it's looking. See, Okay, I think too much big. Let me give the 20 pixel, and here we can give, let me select both 25, or we can give the 20, 22. Yeah, 22 is best. And now in the this card product quantity, we can add the margin. Top side will be 10 pixel and left right will be 0. Yeah, now this look good, and we can increase and decreasing. For that we do with the javascript. Now this section is done, and I think this will be 1 pixel is look good. Yeah, 1 pixel is look good. And when I cursor here, this change, and for that we can use the pointer, cursor pointer. Okay, and this select will be by default, this selection will be done. Now we can remove this selection everywhere. Anytime we have select this tag, this types of selection we can remove, because in this we don't want to select any tags. For that in the go on the top section, and here I give the, in the body section we can add selects, user select none. Now see here, you can, nothing will be selected, anything. Now this part will be done, and we have designed this one, and we can give the little bit more space. Let me just come here. Where is product card? We give the 20 pixel, and let me just see the mobile version. When I just go on the mobile version, this card will be look like 302. Let me open the mobile version here, and this will be mobile simulator. When I just click this, okay, our card will be look like this. These are done. Not taking this full width, I think I was miss something. Let me increase the max width. Where is card? Max width will be, we give the 400. When I just click, okay, now taking properly, 400 is proper. See, and now let me close this, and when I just click, see, this part will be done, and we want to increment and decrement. For that let me come here, and I want to access all this, and for that we can directly give the here this class, we can give the ID, and for that ID not, because much more time some product will be automatically added, and not, we can add as some other things. And because we only in this time we have a only one product, then this is for the, now for the find we can directly use by the ID. We can use this by in the our data we have a ID. See, we have this ID, we can use like this, we can increment and decrement. And for that I want to add something. Let me just come here, or first of all we render all this. First of all we click on this section and any of this, then this product will be added added from this. First of all we do this, then after we do the increment and decrement. Now for the adding purpose, we want to add this product. First of all we do the here come index.js file, and this is a card section. Here we give the document dot add event listener. Here we give the click functionality directly, and inside this we pass a callback function, and here I give the e, and let me show you something. Console.log and e. Let me open the console. Here come, open the console, and okay, this data is printing. Let me just comment this. Any other data? No. When I was click on the any section, see, when I was click on this image, see, it will be display like this event, and in that we have this data set. Where is target? Inside that we have a this data set. We use this data set. For that I show you. Here in the product section, we product card section, we had not added the id, but in the this product data we have this id, and for that we can do come in the we can do by that where is here, and we add the id. We add the id by let me just do hashtag like that, and element, we give the id directly, id dot id. Yeah, this id is now added. Now I want to get access this id, and when I was click on the this icon, this icon section, no, here is icon. When I was click on this icon, then for that I here give data dot card, because I want to add this card, or we can add the data dot card, and here I want to give this. Let me give the id same. I can give the element dot id, and because this id is unique everywhere, that's why. And for that, let me just see this id is I getting or not. When I was refresh this page, when I was click here this, then let me check and go on the target section, and I want to go on the data set. Let me just see where is data set. Yeah, here. Okay, we are not getting the data set. When I just click open target, and data set. Okay, here I was not getting data set. Let me check why this is not getting. I was given on this icon now. Let me just give this div tag. Let me just cut here and directly give this icon. Now let me just go here, and again, where is a target, and inside target we have a this, see, in the data set now the card is 1, like that. This one is now coming, and we can now we do this, and we can now first of all I do this like a e dot target. Okay, inside we have a, let me just check on the console. When I was click here, and okay, why this okay, I was let me just again click, and here we go from the e dot target. Inside target we have a data set. Okay, e dot target dot data set dot cart, like that. We now here we get the id. Let me just give the here, make a one variable const id. Oh no, we give the card card ID. This is looking good, and just copy this here, cut this here and here. Now we get the ID. Let me just check for giving the alert card ID, and this will, let me just click here, see 1, and let me just make this full screen. When I just click the, see, we get the ID name. Now we, when I just click here, then we can get the ID. Now I can use the this data set directly. Okay, this data set, now I can use the directly this data set. This one, where is, now I can directly use this data one, and we can do by here also we returning the we can do, let me give here, and here we can return the data also. Okay, these are now fine. And in the console section, some error is coming or not? Yeah, no error is coming, everything is fine. And now I want to insert the data inside this, and okay, why this is coming? Because this here I was firing the directly to the document, not from the any element. That's why these are coming. And I was click let me, so here we have done. Now when I was click here, then we got a ID. Let me show once again, console.log, and we give the ID. And let me open the inspect console. Go on the console. When I just click here, see, we got the ID. Now as like this one, we access the ID. For that we can make here one variable, and inside this we insert the, let me just go on the about section. Here I can give const product data, and this will be in the form of a array. Inside this we or we can directly just copy this here, and I want to insert the data. For that we can directly come here and here give this will be the, here inside we insert data. And let me just see, when I was click here, let me just copy this here, and when I was click any of this, then I want to all this data. Let me just see this data we getting or not. Okay, some error is coming, why this, let me just see. Okay, product data is not a function. Okay, I was giving like that, but I want to give assign this value. And this type error, I think product data I was using somewhere anywhere other. Okay, I think I was given the here const. Let me change this, because const is where declare there will be a sign, that's why. And yeah, and when I was click this, we also got this data. From that when ID is equal to this, then we got this much data. For that we can do filter operation from this, and here I make a one if loop. If this ID card, if this the what is the name of the e dot target dot data set is available, then this if loop will be run, otherwise not. And let me just come here, and here we give we can directly give this ID name here, and inside this, first of all I got this ID, and inside this data I want to extract data. Let me use the const we can give the add card product product, and we can use the filter method. Let me just copy this product data, and here we use the filter. After that we use the simple arrow function, el dot id is equal to the what is the name of, equal to the what is this card id. Let me just copy this here and paste here, and this card id will be, let me print this here. Now let me just come here. When I just click, okay, this will be empty. I think this will be checking a data type. Let me just see. When I was again click, now here see we got this data. When I was click on the this one, see we got this one main close, like that we got in data. Now I want to add this data into the this card. For that we can do first of all, I want to inside this I want to add a number of the quantities because here I want to also manipulate in the add to cart this type, this quantity I want to increase and decrease, and for that we can here make another const. This will be the add product, and we can give add quantity add number, product number. Yeah, this one I think good, product number. And inside this we make one object, and here I want to, here when I was click, now let me show you first. When I was click here, we got this types of array, but we want to object, and here I give the give 0 like that. Now see, when I was click here, we got directly to the object. When I was click anywhere, see this type of directly I got object. Now I want to, this object will be destructure here, and inside that we add one more quantity. It will be the card quantity. By default we give the 1, and I want to add something more. I think no, for now it's okay. And this product number I want to add this in the this card array. Let me just copy this array, and here come and card array dot push. Yeah, now see, and let me just console log this also. Console log this product, and here I want to delete this. See, when I was clicking the main cloth, okay, I think something is missing. Yeah, now see here added. When I was click on the this jewelry, let me click here, see this 2 item is added, and when I was click on the another one by one, and here see these 3 are added, 1 2 3. And when I was click on the this electronic and again click, then see I think it will be added 2 times. Yeah, this 99, because I was not doing here. If this element is available, then don't push it like that. We can do also. For that I think I want to do some condition here. We can do inside the array, we can give the one condition. If we can give filter, or we can give the find, we can use every, or we can use the sum. Sorry, we can use the sum, and this will be element will be equal to the element dot id will be equal to the this product underscore id if this element let me just copy this here, or we can copy this ID also here. If this will be returned true, then it's mean that already in the our card this element is available. If return false, this element is not available. And let me just make a one array I show you, and here I just randomly given the array const dot arr. Now see, when I was click here, see it will be written false because element this card will be not available. And let me add more card. Total I have a total added 3. Now when I was click on this, see ID number 1, and we have this, and when I was click again, see it will be returned true. It means this element is already available in that. For that we can also here give the one more things using the if loop, and here just array this one inside this, and let me just remove this also inside if loop. If this element is available, then here this all this sentence, this statement of line return a true, but if not available, then return a false. And we turn into the, if return the false, we turn into the true, and then this element will be inserted uh, in this array, because this element will be returned false and this element will be not available in this array. If available, then don't push it like that. When I was click here, see it will be only one, see not inserted. And when I was click on the any other section, see it will be inserted. Like that we have inserted all this data, and yeah, this much done. Now I want to do one thing. If this data is inserted from this card, now I want to display all this card. For that for the displaying purpose, let me, I think I was users, no, not a users. Let me just copy, yeah, this I have this card product, and let me, this is a body section. Inside this we give the ID card product ID, card product body, we give card product body ID, and just copy this and come in the index.js file. And below this, first of all I want to access this element. Let me give this P capital, we use the camel case. And now I give document dot get element by ID. Inside this I want to this ID. Now inside this I want to insert all this array which are in the card to display it, that's why. And let me just copy this here, and here we use the filter, oh no sorry, we use the map element. Inside this we return the let me use the curly bracket, and we return this like that, and we store all this in the, let me make here another variable card product list HTML, and this will be the string. Like in the previous top section I was making this string product list, and here I make a card list, like a card list. Now inside this I want to insert, let me just copy all this here, or we can do directly let me just directly assign t here, and I want to convert this const, yeah, this will be in the form of a const. And here I can give this map function will be return a array, we can use the instead of map, we use the for loop, because this map function will be return a array, that's why. And this will become, and let me go on the index.html. Here I want to this card product, just cut this here, or we can copy this here and comment here. Now I want to here paste this in the form of a till symbol. Yeah, and let me separate this because this code is too much big, that's why. And here give the v, paste this and give the plus equal to, okay, plus equal to, and inside this all the product will be inserted. And now I want to change, in this time I think no card will be available. Let me change here. I want to change the URL, use the dollar e dot image, and here I want to change the name. Let me give the name will be dollar el dot I think category. Yeah, and for now it will be okay. And here I want to display the value I was given. Let me just see, card quantity, just copy this here, and here I want to give this el dot card quantity. And now I want to insert all this product inside this, just cut here and come in the below section. I want to assign this inner HTML will be equal to the this variable. Now let me see, when I was click here, when I was click on the this man cloth, okay, I think this element is our, let me check because this is when I was click on this section, then all this event will be fire, and like that I think I want to make one function, and for that function will be add card product, and inside this we can insert all this. Let me just cut here and insert inside this. And let me just call this function when I was click on the any of this various event. Let me just see on document dot add events. Yeah, here when I was click on the here any of this element, and this product will be inserted. If element is not, after that we can insert, paste here. Now let me just see, when I was click and click here, okay, data will be not to be display. I think this data will be inserted or not. For checking purpose, or we got a proper ID. Let me check all this data will be inserted in this card product list or not. For that, before that, I can give the console dot log and just copy this variable name and paste here. And let me just click here, not so, right click, go on the inspect console. Yeah, I think here data is inserted, but okay, type add card product is not a function. Add card product is a function, then why is this okay, I was making here also we can do the add card product, we can make a function, and function, just copy this here, and again here I want to paste this. Now let me just again click here, let me open this. Okay, not open. Let me click here. This data is coming. Assignment to the constant variable. Where is line number 84? Okay, let me just see. Okay, this is a constant. Let me just change this. Let, and when I just click here, let me open. Okay, this is undefined is returning. Why undefined is let me right click, go on the inspect console, open this array. Okay, we got this data, but inside this I think um, data is inserted and we push this outside. I think let me just push outside and here click. Okay, by default undefined, why is coming? We can directly make this variable inside this. Yeah, when I just click. Okay, undefined, why is returning? I think this data is inserted or not, and here click. Go on the right click, go on the inspect. Okay, okay, data is inserted but not display. Then why is not display? We can also call this function outside because why these are happening. I think let me check this data is coming or not. EL and any other console will be commented. Let me just comment this. This one will comment. Right click, inspect, go on the console, and when I just click, okay, we got this data. Then why this error is coming? This will be 86 here. Yeah, we got this data. Okay, by default I think yeah, I was doing wrong. Let me just correct this and just copy. We can do here, let me just only make this variable and we can define here because I want to insert all this here inside this. Yeah, now this will be fine now, and now all the data will be inserted this variable and run this. Let me just see again. Okay, see, now this data will be inserted. See, all this data will be inserted, and see here display we can do. All this data will be here display, but I want to give the center, and for that all the data inserted in the card body. And let me just come in the CSS. Where is card body? here we give the margin auto. Yeah, we can insert it more data, and this scrolling function is also in this card will be not available. We can give the overflow auto, and this will be, let me just check. mm, Inspect, we give the here also. Why this scrolling function is not available here? This card product inside this undefined by default. We can remove this undefined, don't worry. And here I was overflow will be, we give the overflow y direction will be auto. Yeah, this will be coming. Why not coming? We not able to scroll this section. This part, for that I think I was fixed. All this value was fixed, that's why we can do, give the height will be fit content, and overflow will be scrollable, and this product is coming, and we are not able to scroll this. Let me just see, here I was fixed. Let me change this absolute. Okay, these are not done, and here I want to make this scrollable. Before that I want to make this height, that's why, and for that I want to give this bottom section also 0, and here I want to change again fix. More product. This scrollable is not coming. Here I give the background color red. Okay, this I think only this one, or I was given this background color. Now let me just remove this. Yeah, now this one is I want to overflow will be, and for that I think why these are not working. Overflow auto. Inspect, we give the here also. Why this scrolling function is not available here? This card product inside this undefined by default. We can remove this undefined, don't worry. And here I was overflow will be, we give the overflow y direction will be auto. Yeah, this will be coming. Why not coming? We not able to scroll this section. This part, for that I think I was fixed. All this value was fixed, that's why we can do, give the height will be fit content, and overflow will be scrollable, and this product is coming, and we are not able to scroll this. Let me just see, here I was fixed. Let me change this absolute. Okay, these are not done, and here I want to make this scrollable. Before that I want to make this height, that's why, and for that I want to give this bottom section also 0, and here I want to change again fix. More product. This scrollable is not coming. Here I give the background color red. Okay, this I think only this one, or I was given this background color. Now let me just remove this. Yeah, now this one is I want to overflow will be, and for that I think why these are not working. Overflow auto. And this will be height will be approximately height not a fit content. We give the height will be approximately calculus 100 vh, and minus we give the 60 pixel because of this top section. And yeah, now when I see, now scroll will be coming because I was not given the height now, that's why this scroll will be not coming. Now it will be coming, and I want to remove this background color. Yeah, when I was click, okay, now product will be scrollable like that, and Below we make a one button for the payment purpose. This is a cardboard, and we can do here in the below section. I want to also give the space approximately 60. For that we can here give the 120 pixel, and yeah, this will be height will be approximately 120. And below I want to insert here, and after that I give the div class will be card payment btn, and inside this we give the payment. Now let me just see here. Okay, when I was click this electronic and here come, okay, here you can see this will display. I think I want to give much more. Here this is a 160 pixel I was given. Let me give the 200 pixel. Here this will be coming, we give 180, 120, 120 not 150. Yeah, 150 I think fine. And inside below I want to insert, I was already given this class name, just copy this here, come in the style.css. Here I give the first of all color of this will be, we give the color of background color will be blue, and no, this color will be white. We give the text color will be blue. This color will be white, and text color background color will be blue. Now let me just see, yeah, this one. And we give the text align will be center, and we give the padding 10 pixel, uh, 5 pixel from top and bottom everywhere instance. And we give the border radius 5 pixel. Yeah, now see, and when I was hover on this will be point, mouse cursor will be changed. For that we give the cursor pointer. See, yeah, now we have done this. When I was click on this favorite, and card will be added here, and again click, see, every time this card will be added, and I can click, see, now we have done this section. Now we are going to making the our increment, this one, like this. Here I want to make an increment, and below that I want to also give the total. And for that here I think I want to give 200 is proper. Yeah, 200 is done. And before the top section I want to add the total. Let me come here, and inside this I add the div class card total payment, and here I want to show the total payment. Let me here give the total, and it will be the equal to the approximately 0 for now. See, here is 0 is coming, and here I show the total price. And let me here give the only this, I give the total. Inside this I use the div class to card total payment, and this will be card total payment. And after that I want to give here display the payment. We can give the total, and here we use the span, and inside we inserted approximately 100, and after here see we have inserted 100, and in the left side we inserted a quantities, and for that quantity I can make another, and here I can give the total. We can wrap this in the form of a simple text. Let me just give the span, and inside this we insert it, and here I give the class ID. We give the cart total payment ID. Like that I want to make quantities. For let me just give the QTY, and here I want to change the quantity QTY, and this will be the quantity QTY, because here I want to display approximately 5 6 like that. Now we done this. Now let me design also this. Let me just inserted multiple cart. See, inside I inserted and just cart total. Let me just copy this class name, come here, and let me design this part. We give the cart total. Let me check here. Cart total we have a single, or we can do cart total. Let me just remove this total, and we can give here and here. We can insert it another div tag, and inside this we paste this span, and it will be containing the quantities. This is looking I think good, that's why. And span we give the ID. Here I want to also give the class. This will be the cart total QTY, and let me just see, yeah, like that. Come here, give the display flags, and this will be flags here, see, and in between that we give the justify content space between, or we can also get a space evenly also, like that. Space around is I think good. Yeah, now that we give the increase the font size. Let me give the font size will be 20, yeah, like that. And we give little bit up. For that we can add the padding 0 pixel from top and bottom, or we can give the 2 pixel top, 5 pixel top bottom, left right will be 0, like that. Here display, or we can also increase also. Let me add multiple plural. Yeah, we can bold this quantity. For that I want to come here. Let me just copy this ID name cart total. This will be the ID, and again I want to copy this quantity and come here, give the comma. Again I want to add here. We want to show the this total, and this quantity will be in the form of a bold. We can use the font weight will be approximately 900. Now see, it is too much. We give the 600. Yeah, see, these are now looking good. And here we have inserted this section, total quantity and all this product, and the here undefined is coming. Okay, we can remove this undefined, don't worry. Come in the index.js. Here I want to insert it, and inside this we can use the this string. Yeah, see, now no undefined is coming, and by default this payment is coming. Don't worry, when I added, and here show the total price in the left section, like that. I want to also add here, let me give, because first of all we implemented this increment and decrement section, after that we can do, and this part will be done. Let me do the increment. All this product will be increment, and for that mm, here I was entered el dot quantity, and by default it will be 1, and now it will be added in the form of a, where is cart, in the array of card. For that let me just do also this one. And here we have this card product minus, inside this we give the data data set, or we can give the data minus, or we can give the quantity qty qty decrease dec, and after that here inside this we inserted the id, and this id I want to give the id will be this one, el dot id, and again let me just copy this, and here I want to insert this plus, here I give the quantity inc, like that. I was doing this one, and let me check also these are displaying or not. Go on the inspect, come here, and here I want to add some product, and here this product is not displayed. We do also like that, don't worry. And let me open this console, and when I was click on this increment, okay, why this data is okay, I was not doing the console, and let me do this. First of all I want to, what is the name, quantity decrease, qty decrease. Let me come in the document, where is here, I can make this here, this will be id is equal to this, and here I can give and this array will be printed. Let me decrease this. We can give the console.log, and we can add e dot target dot data set dot, what is the name of this, let me go on here, and where is this will be the qt dic, let me just see, decreasing, and here I do paste this, and now let me add the some product. Okay, now go on the here, open this, let me click on the, okay, undefined is printing. I think something is missing, let me check. Yeah, this product is added here, and when I was click on this, yeah, now see we got it, this id name. Now this is a qt this, yeah, let me just paste this here. Okay, I was inserted some other format, let me just see. Yeah, here I was giving the capital, but here I got a small, let me also give the this small. Now let me check again. This two card is added. Yeah, here added, and when I was click on this, yeah, so we got this ID name. Now we got it this ID name, and this I want to also access this the increment also, and this increment is not printing, decrement is printing. Let me also do the increment also. Console we make no, first of all check e dot target dot data set will be the increment q. Let me just see. Okay, let me add some product. I was added two product. When I was click on the this okay, this now these things are working. Now I want to increase the quantity. When I was click on this, for that let me just make this two function. If it will be, let me make one const, and this will be the increment product, increment qty, and id name will be we got from this section. Let me cut here, and okay, this is a decrement, not an increment. Let me just do this, cut here this one and paste here. After that we can decrement also, const decrement qty e dot target dot dataset, or we can do one thing, copy from the top section here, cut this here and paste here. Let me delete this. Yeah, now when I was clicking on this ID, now we got this ID, and after that I want to, this ID is available in the our array, this array, card array, and I want to increment the quantity value, and for that let me just give the qty, and inside this we can find the find, we can use the find, or we can do we can find first of all index of that element. After that, for that we can use the, what is this, find, or we can give the index of here we can give the el dot e equal to el dot id will be equal to the, what is the name of this. First of all we doing the increment. Let me just console dot here we can give the const index, and here let me just console log this. When I was click here, we got to here two product is added. No, let me decrease here. Then why we got okay, I think it will be written 4. Why written 4? Let me also console all this array, console dot array cart array, any data is available, click here. Okay, I think this data is added from this section, that's why. And now I am clicking on the increment first. Now see, we got it this data. I was click on the 0, we got this index, and now I can do update this value. For that we can give the const const new qty equal to cart array and index. After that index we got it. Now I use the quantity. Let me just see. In the array I was added this cart quantity. Just copy this, and here I can give the cart quantity, and let me just print this console.log new quantity. And when I first of all I want to added this product. When I was click on the increment, okay, this value is printed, I think most of them. Let me comment this and added increment. Okay, one quantity. Now I want to make this increment. For that we got it this. Every time this value will be increment, we can give the increment. Let me just see. Yeah, and added here assignment to the const variable. Okay, let me just give the let card will be added increment. First of all we got this. Okay, and we want to, here we store the value. After that I want to again push this value to that array, and for that I want to give one more function. We can give the cart. Again just copy this here and push here, and we can equal to the, this will be, after this value will be increment. Here give the new quantity increment. After that again I want to push this value into this object. Now let me just see. Okay, now see, this quantity value will be increment like that. And this font is too much big. Let me just reduce this font first. Come here, and where is, okay, let me just cart render section. I was index.js, and here this is card product num. Let me just copy this class name and come in the index.html file, sorry, style.css. Here I want to search, where is, here I was given the font size is approximately here. We give the 16 pixel, and we give the padding from the left right will be 0 pixel from top and bottom. Left right will be approximately, we give the 5 pixel, and we can give the 7 also, or we can also add the margin. I think margin is a good margin, 0 pixel from left top bottom, 5 pixel left right. Yeah, now see, this value is increment, and now I want to do decrement. For that here I want to come index.js file and go on the top section. This concept will be the all with for the increment. Now I want to do like that also for the decrement. Let me just come here, make another if loop, and this will be the decrement. And here I want to again change this, and here equal to this id. After that here I give the minus, and this value will again insert it into that. Let me add some product, and let me come here, and when I click here, see, this value is increment and this value decrement, like that. See, all this product will be done. We have completed this part, and let me show in the big screen. See, we added this card, and see here I added total all this quantity, and I want to all this data will be inserted into this. Now we want to display here how much number of the card will be inserted here in this section, and for that let me go on the index.html file, and I want to go on the top section. This is a icon. Let me here I want to show the another. I want to use a span tag, or we can use the div class name, and we can give the number of card, and inside this first of all we display the 0 like that here display, and we want to make these changes, and inside this will be the header card. This card name will be header card. Let me in the header card we first of all give the position absolute relative. Let me just paste this, and here header card I want to be the position relative. After that I want to just copy this, come here. After this header card I can give, let me just give the position absolute. Now let me see here, see this 0 is coming. Now I want to give this top section, and this will be the top 0. Let me just give, and we can give the approximately 5 pixel, -5, and not 5, 10 pixel. And now I want to make this 15 pixel, I think best, and I want to go in the right part. Let me also give the right will be 0. How this will be look, yeah. And here I want to give the font size will be 16 pixel, or we can give the less than this. It will be approximately 14 pixel, 12, and no 14 is high, and yeah 15, yeah 15 will be good, and little bit more downside, yeah this will be good. And after that I give the background color. Let me give the background color will be use the variable this hover one, and here I give the width will be 10 pixel, no 15 pixel. Let me give this 15 pixel, and height also 15 pixel. Now let me just see, yeah data will be here, or we can give 20 pixel, and text color will be white. Let me give this color, use the variable bs white, and text align will be center, yeah. And we can do the this part will be done. Text align will be left, center will be done, and here I give the this here not a 20 pixel, and we can give this font size will be 14, 13, yeah. And this will be height and width will be 15 pixel, and I want to little bit bottom section from this above this, and yeah in that I was not given the padding. Now let me give this padding is approximately 3 pixel, yeah. And this font will be 10 pixel, 12 is perfect, and this will be 1 pixel, 0.5 pixel, yeah. Now I want to give the border. Let me give the border radius 10 pixel, Now see like this, and here let me increase this 16, and here also 16, and yeah, like this types of a coming. And here I want to make a -5 pixel. Yeah, see, now is the top section like that, and little bit bottom also. We give the, for not a 10, we give the 8, 7, 5. Yeah, now 5 is almost okay. And we want to increment and decrement because number of the card will be added from this section. And for that, come here, and here I want to give the, I want to change the, let me just give this id will be number of card id. Just copy this, and I want to insert this data directly index.js, and here I want to insert this. Let me just give, first of all I want to exit document dot get element by id, and here I give the id name. Inside this I give the text content. Content will be equal to the where is array, this array. Just copy this, and here I give the length. Now see, when I was inserted here, see we have 2 card. Like that we have inserted. See here giving the value is increment every time, and this will be done, and all this product will be added, and we can increment also. Now we go on the total price. All this product will be here, display the total price. And for that let me just, where I was inserted product, let me come here. Here inside, see I was inserted the here I was inserted the product number, and inside this I was added the one more key, card quantity, and here I add the total price. One more key I added, and by default this will be the this dot what is the value of the price. Now let me just, I want to display this total price, where I want to display, and here this is a quantity, and inside this I want to, let me make a one more div, and div, and here I want to give this, and here I want to add the class, and this will be the card description. Card, we can give the card product, no, this card product quantity already given. It will be the card product and quantity container, quantity and price container, quantity and total price container, total price container, like that. And here I want to insert div, another div. Inside this div this value will be inserted where I was inserted this total price. Let me just copy this here, and inside this I want to insert for that here I can give el dot let me use this el dot price, total price, and let me insert. Okay, this will be the coming undefined, and why this is coming, I think it will be displaying the inspect section. Let me see. No, not displaying. I can do one more things, just add product. I got it, and inside this I have a price. I can directly access, I think. Let me just see. Yeah, this see, but this will be the some other price, I think. This will be the price. $22. 109. I think this is a price or something other. I was this is quantity. Okay, here I was directly displaying the price, not okay. Let me just change also this. I was forgetted el dot price. Let me add. Yeah, now see, price will be displaying, and I want to give the total price in the right section. Already I was added this class name. Where is, just copy this here and come in the style.css, go on the bottom section. Let me just do this one more. We go the display flags and justify content space between. Yeah, and before that display giving the width will be 100%. Why this? I think first of all I want to check how much width will be containing. Okay, it will be containing approx this coding. Let me just see. Card product right section. Let me just copy this and come in the here. Let me just, where is this class name? Okay, not available. And before that I can add this. It will be given, the width will be 100%. Yeah, now see, and now I want to give this 15 will be in the bottom. We can give this alignment item center. Yeah, here this showing the total price, and let me go on here, and where is here? Here I want to give that the total. It will be here like that. Yeah, like that. This will be display total, and now I can do these things are done, and we make this bold. For that, okay, I was inserted outside this. Let me cut here. Here I want to paste. Now again check. Yeah, now it will be here properly, and inside this I want to use this p tag. Because I want to display this in the form of a bold, that's why. And here we give the class name will be, or we can, yeah, class name will be let me just see. Yeah, it will be okay. I was added the p tag. Let me change this in the span tag. Span, and here also I give the span. Yeah, now it will be, now I give the this id will be the, and this will be the total QTY price, total QTY price. Let me just copy this here and come in the style.css. Here I want to give, this will be the id, not a class. For that, here I use the hashtag and give the we give the font weight will be 600, and remove this background color. Let me add. See, yeah, this will be coming. And this quantity I want to make increment and decrement when I was increase the product. And for that I want to like that. I want to increment and decrement. For that come here index.js and where I was doing. And now like that, this increment and decrement also here I can do one more things. Let me access the also quantity. Where is I was created inserted. Let me just see here total price. Let me just copy this total price, and here I can give, first of all I want to give new total price will be here, just and just cut here, paste this, and we got this price, this total price which I was inserted. And after that we can do, and we can give this by multiplying by this with the help of number of the quantity. This now new quantities, let me copy this here and paste here. Now again I want to insert this quantity to that variable, and let me just copy this again, and here again I want to paste this, and it will be the equal to the this new total price. Let me just see these things are working or not. Let me add some product. Now go here and let me increment. See, when I increment, this value will be increment like that, this value increment. And we also make a for the decrement also, and for that decrement also we can copy the same concept. Only something I want to, nothing I want to change, only copy the this same things, and here I want to paste this bus, that much. Here I just give the comment total price, and here also comment total price, like that. Like, see, when I was inserted, this price will be insert increment decrement, and yeah, let me just give increment. Okay, this price is increment, but it will be increment too much because this is I think not. And for that let me just do one thing. I want to change something. This increment I got I want to, first of all, this price I want to access the price, not a total price. In the total price I want to only insert. Let me just where is price? Here, this price I want to got only price. Yeah, now I think it will be working properly fine. Here I want to also insert it. No, this is quantity. Here price into quantity, it will be the give the total price of that product. And yeah, let me give, yeah, 44, 66, 89. Yeah, now like that it will be coming properly. See, now this value is now properly coming. Okay, this too much digit is coming, and we fix this. Don't let me, for the fixing this, we can inserting that value. Now we will give 2 fix will be approximately, we give the 2 digit. Now let me just come here, let me insert some product, and here, see, every time it will be 2 digit, not increment or decrement. Yeah, now the here sometime it will coming in the decrement also multiple digit, because I was not doing like that. Let me just copy this here and also go on the here also. Now this fine. Now see, this product is increment and decrement, only this. Now we have done this part, and now we do on the this total price. We want to calculate all this price and insert it here, and for that we can use the reduce method. And let me just come here, and this card value I want to do inside the where is I want to give this document, and where is outside here I comment in the bottom section where I was inserted number of the array here display the, and this will be rendering render card, and this will be render all this card, and this will be render number of product inserted in the card. And after that I can do total price. First of all I want to make one const variable, and here after give the total price of total price, and equal to the we use the this variable where is this array, and where all this where data will be inserted. Inside I have a key, we use the reduce method, and inside reduce I pass accumulator and current value. We want to add all this value, we can add accumulator plus the current dot total, what is the name of the total price, and starting from 0, and let me console dot, or we can give the alert total price. Yeah, see here we have it's 55. Let me increment. Okay, this value is okay. Why this 22 is displaying? I think something is missing. Let me, we can insert this total value here directly. Let me just do for that. I think I was where is total price? Here I was given this payment ID. Let me just copy this and come in the where is, and card total payment ID, just copy index.js. Here I want to render this, we give the document dot get element by ID, and this will be paste this. I think let me just console log. I think this is printed in the form of a string, that's why console.log. And here let me just see, right click inspect, this is printed in the form of a number. Yeah, 32 is correct, approximately 122 is one. Okay, these are now price is properly when I was increment. Okay, when I was increment, then this value will be not be proper. See, these are displaying not a perfect value when I was increment that value. For that I think I can use this we use the parse float, and inside this we paste this. Now let me check again. all this value increment 44. Yeah, now this value is properly. And let me first of all refresh this and add this product and click here. When I increment, see 31. Okay, now it's giving the total. Let me add one more product. Close this, come here and increment this. Yeah, now this total value is proper, because I think this product is coming in the form of a string, that's why this value is not. Now I want to insert this value. We give the text context will be equal to the this total price, and let me just see where is, come here and insert. Okay, these are too much, we also fix this. Let me cut this. We can give the to fix 2 GDs and click here. All this product I inserted here. Let me increase. See those all this quantity we have increases, this price increases, and here all total value increases. Now I want to make this quantity also like that, and this quantity will giving the this ID. Let me copy this, come in the index.js file, and here I want to give the total qty, and first of all document, first of all I want to make total qty, and it will be the, let me first of all here make document dot get element by id. Inside this we directly paste this id, and we just copy this here, all this here, and only I want to change this total price into the quantity. What is the name of the total quantity? Yeah, this is name is the cart quantity. Let me just copy this, and here I want to insert this cart outside this here I want to give like that. Let me here this will be the 5. Okay, not inserted like here, why? Okay, I was not given the text content will be equal to the text total quantity. Now see 00 is coming, and let me insert. We have one quantity and price is 22. See, and let me insert it more. See, now all these are working properly fine. All these are done, and we have almost completed from our e-commerce website. And this art count, let me check, this is also responsive. Also you can check by here. See, when I reduce the screen it will be coming like that. Now our e-commerce site will be almost ready, everything's, and this total price will this will be display when the some element will be available. And for that we can do, I want to change something, and here I want to come, and this all these things will be display when some element is available in our card. And for that we can do, let me just come here, and here I want to do this. If from this will be start here, and here this payment, let me cut this and make one another div tag, and inside I want to paste this. Let me just check something is changes, nothing will be changed. And here I want to add one more things, and this will be the product total qty and total price. Just copy this. By default it will be not to be display, and come in the style.css. Here I can give this value display none. Now you can see, okay, here come and see, this will be not display, but when I was added this product also not display. For that let me just see in this. I was already copy this class name id name and come in the index.js, and here I can do one things, and document dot get element by id, and here I want to paste this. If some element is available from the this card, where is this array, then it will be display. And for that we can do, here I can use the if loop, and here I can give display if some product available in cart. Like that we have come here, and here I want to do this, and cart from the 0, and here I can give this. Let me little bit go up, and here we give the style dot style will be equal to the style dot display will be equal to the block. Otherwise if not available, then we can give the none. Let me just copy this here, and here I can give the none. Now let me show you. See, by default it will not display. When I was click here, see, it automatically display. And when I was remove all this quantity, yeah, you can see this quantity is also going a minus like that, but here no product quantity will go on the negative section. And for that, here I want to some breakpoint. Where is increment section? Yeah, here increment and decrement section. Here in the decrement section, and we can want to give one more. If quantity is, here I want to give the some section. If quantity if qty new this qty will be equal to the, sorry, we can give the less than, this quantity will be less than 2. If quantity will be greater than 1, we can also give like that. If quantity will be greater than 1, then this decrement will be function will be inserted, otherwise not. Quantity is greater than 2, not a 1, because some quantity is available or not, that's why. And let me just see, when I was in decrement, see, quantity will be not be decrement, but our here total value, this will be, we can 0. And if I was giving here 0, then why this is happening? Oh, because of a here calculation will be done. Let me just also insert it into this. And it will be the here increment when the value is greater than 1, decrement when the value is greater than 1. Let me see, when I was inserted, and here see, it will be on, no, nothing will be happening. When I increment, okay, see, now it will be working properly. This decrement section, we add more product, no product will go on the negative section. Now everything will be positive, and we have done this section almost everything. And we can add a multiple product. Let me just see when I was add, and this section, yeah. Now see here, all the product will be added. We have a complete almost all this e-commerce side will be completed, and this side will be also responsive also, like that. And thank you for the watching this video, whole video. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe the channel, and thank you so much for watching.